it's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bandana mask. So this is a take and make activity that you can pick up at the Columbus or Saluda libraries, and it comes with a bandana and 2 rubber bands. But before we get started, I wanted to make an announcement about trivia night that is tomorrow night. So it's virtual team trivia that's on Facebook Live at 5 o'clock. And this month's theme is hodgepodge. So that means that we've taken suggestions from the teams that played last month's trivia, and we're using their categories for questions this month. So I hope you'll join us, and I wish you all the luck with trivia. All right, now to get started, you've got your bandana, and all you have to do is fold it correctly. This is not a difficult activity. So I'm going to lay my bandana with the main color side down. So this one is pink, so the bright pink side is going to go down, and then the side that looks like it's a lighter pink is going to go face up towards me. Okay, and I'm going to take the top corners and fold them down to the middle, and then I'm going to take the bottom corners and fold them up just to touch the middle. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to roll it down again, but this time I'm going to move it so it's almost like in thirds. So I'm going to fold it over so that it touches this line. And I'm going to fold this one over just a little bit so it overlaps right in the middle. Okay. When I get to this point, I'm going to add the elastic to make it stick behind my ears. So I've got my elastic on one side, and this is the part that you can hold it up to your face and see if it's big enough to cover your face or not, or make it smaller. Okay, so I'm just gonna guess on this one, and I've put my elastic just a little bit in. All right, and to fold over the sides, I'm gonna fold one side in, and you'll notice in your folds, there's part of your fold that actually makes a full pocket. Now you're going to want to use that part and not this bottom part of your fold, because then your other piece won't stick into it. So I've got this nice middle piece, and I'm going to tuck this entire piece into that part. Okay, so I'm going to push it all the way in, and the key to this is making sure that you put the bandana in as flat as possible, because this is the side that's going to be touching your face. Okay, and you may have to try this a couple of times, because if you stretch your elastic out, it'll start to take the shape, right? But before you hook it on your ears, you don't want to try to hook it on one ear and stretch it over. You want to actually put it on your nose and then stretch it back to your ears. All right? So when you finish with your mask, you can wear this out and about, or you can wear it to school. But you can design it, and then easy enough, it comes back apart, and you can do it again. You can show your friends how to make one. Have fun, guys.